the electrical part of our company is ready. It will be pretty soon delivered to Menlo and being sold by Menlo.
With us is Mariusz Balachowski, founder of Photonica. Could you tell something about your company and your products?
Thank you, Mikołaj. It's very nice to be here. And hello, everyone. I am Mariusz, I'm founder of Photonica, a new brand on international market which will develop structured systems and electrical switchboxes. We believe in Photonica that improvement speaking through technology is the main phrase which pushes us to everything what we can do, which means we should provide the best solutions in best terms with every technical possibility we've got. Which means that our team evolved from the necessity of growth. We are a very small group of people, like couple of engineers focused on the PV market to develop as more simple and smart solutions as we can. That's why we are asked Menlo to help us to be on PV market, so we can be here, and thank you very much once again for that. We've got two founders, Mariusz Balachowski, which is myself, and Norbert Garela, which is my PV market colleague, a specialist from structured systems. And we will surprise you in this year with a few branches of products in our portfolio. So the first one is electric switchboard. The second one, to be connected with electric switchboard, is our accessories, which, for example, can be cables or DC connectors or every possible connector which is necessary to finish your PV installation. But as well, we will provide ground-mounted systems which will be designed as well for residential, commercial and utility scale market. But still, the most popular systems in Europe are systems for pitched roof. So that's why we will also provide a very clever and smart systems for pitched roof based on aluminium, manganese and similar parts of steel. But our most important target is our systems for flat roofs. It is always a most difficult thing to be developed, so that's why we put all our resources and all our knowledge to prove that those systems can be simple but still smart and useful in many situations. So, what do we aim to achieve those targets? We chose several different ideas which we try to follow during all the process of designing our new systems. So the first one is PV solution. PV solution is something, our motto which describe a structure system who should be not just solid but as well smart, easy to assemble and can be and should be modified. So we believe that our system will fit every existed module which you can find on the market. The next important thing is installation process optimization, because we have to do many installations. Installers are busy. There is a limited amount of labor on market, so we have to find another solution how to solve it. And we in Photonica choose to design as fast system on the market as it can be, without any bad influence onto strength or stabilization. That's why we are very focused on the efficiency, which means that our key objective is to create a system which will minimize the installation time. And support structures in varied climates. We know that Europe is wide and long, so we can find many different environments. So we have to be sure that our structures can stand in the middle of Europe, somewhere between the mountains, near the sea, or in very acid risky environments. So we are always aim to create the structure as solid as it can be, even if it means that we have to redesign our project from zero, which, to be honest, happened many times up to today. But the next thing is cost-effective transportation, because we can design system, we can be clever and make this system as simple to be built as it can be, but still we have to move these parts, this structure from our factory facility to our distributors, wholesaler, installer, or at the project place. So we have to be sure that those equipment, those parts, will be in the portion that will help us to make the logistic more effective, so we can as well spend less money for that, and this logistic can be at least faster. So, assuming that structure is already on site, the only thing what we have to do is to build the structure on the construction site. So we have to be sure, we in Photonica have to be sure that our customers can build the structure so easily, without any doubts, without any problems, and without losing a time to analyze how it can be adjusted or how it can be assembled. That's why all of every our paper, which means every our document, which means warranty terms, our manual, our data sheets, etc., are designed to be very simple, to be very understandable for everybody, no matter from what country you are. That we try to minimize the words and to show everything by numbers and by drawings. So the last but not least is versatility of systems. By this phrase, we try to catch something very mysterious, something hidden, that we felt that something is missing. So we analyze every step once again, every idea we create, and we found that versatility is pretty good word. We can use it. We can use here because every our system is designed to be part of another system. So we can switch the parts between the systems and make them useful in many possible different situations, to avoid the situation that you need one car or one truck just to keep spare parts, to be sure that you do not forget about any beam or any screw at site. So our idea is to be smart, clever, and simple. This is the main terms for Photonica, and I will be proud to prove that we can deliver that. But that's not only this. As I said, we are also a producer of electrical distribution panel. As you can see, we already provide several different schemes of distribution panels of electric switchboards. So you can buy already a couple of these products as well pretty soon as from Menlo, and we can recognize three different branches of those products. So the first one is preconfigured electric switchboard. So you can buy already designed product for 1 MPPT, for 2 MPPT, even for 4 strings, no matter for AC or for DC. For most common things, it is ready. But as well, you can choose tailored electric switchboard. It is a brand new option, and I am happy to announce that we will pretty soon develop tailored electric switchboard, which means that you can customize your switchboard. That you can create that even for 6 panels, for 6 strings, for 10 strings. You can connect many, for example, microinverters into different, into 3 phases, if there are single phases. We will provide as many functionality as you need, and we will be proud to put our logo on it. But the last one is also a thing. Is it combiner boxes, which means the electric switchboard created for central unit utility scale project. This box is designed to collect voltage and amps from each series or from each string, put it together and put in one bring in one cable to the main unit. So this unit can transfer even 1 megawatt of power into DC. And everybody, thank you very much. That's it. Stay tuned, and we will inform you pretty soon on our webpage and LinkedIn about release date and our presence on future events.
Great, not so fast. Mariusz, may I have some questions?
Yes, of course. I have waited for this.
Great. So, what's its roadmap for all those plans which you have?
Well, usually I said it's done when it's done. But in this case, we cannot do that. So I think, as I said, the electrical part of our company is ready. It will be pretty soon delivered to Menlo and being sold by Menlo. By the terms of structure systems, we are almost done. But we have to be sure that each part is finished and is as great as it can be. In our mind. So I'm something between June, July to a great release with our portfolio. I hope that answer will help you.
Yeah, it covered my interests. But when I heard your aims, your goals with making mostly structures, they are very ambitious. What experience do you have, your personal experience, because company is bright new, to achieve those goals?
Well, basically, I have over 11 years of experience in the tech industry, as well as my colleague Norbert has the similar experience, also over 11 years in the tech industry. I was, for example, chief of R&D in some factory facilities, etc., etc. As well, we've got together over 10 years of experience into photovoltaic industry, photovoltaic market, as well on Polish and international market. So I am pretty sure because of that, we are the correct persons to bring this project with the words which I use. I'm pretty sure the words will become true.
Okay, I wish you that, and thank you for visiting us today. And it's time for our last session. Stay with us for those. Thank you
very much. Have a nice day.